Not many people about. Some music. It's 4 p.m. 1600. This is the end of town before you drive out of town. The hill in front of us there is Llechwydd Quarry. That's where they do the downhill mountain biking. There's the Skippy here. I don't know what he's doing. Pulling out now, going in skips. Oh, he's coming my way, is he? He can fucking pull in himself when you go past. Liner closed. I'll show you something when I come back. I want to go up here. These quarries, slight waste, yeah? Both sides, 2 quarries. Golbagano on the left, Llechwydd Quarries on the right. The zip lines there in front of us, on the right. Looks like telegraph wires, but they're zip lines. They come from right from the top there, across the quarry, and they stop there. You also go down underground here, on the left. You can go underground. The slate mine. There's a cafe there, with the mountain biking. Mountain bike course is just on our right. This is Rhyw Brydfyr, Oakley Terrace. So they've been planting trees here too. This is the Crimea Pass. This is the way to go out of the town, north. Crushing slate there, but all the quarries are closed here. Don't do any slates now, just crush them. Oh, this is slate waste on the left. Just go down here to the lake. Is anyone fishing here? Nobody. This is a local fishing association. It's not for tourists, it's not a car park, it's for fishermen. It's stocked with rainbow trout. There's no one fishing here at the moment. They have put a few fish in, I've been told. They put 100 fish in. It won't last 5 minutes. They'll all be gone. Yeah, I'll give you a bit of higher view. Tip the camera a bit. So there's no one fishing at the moment. All this is slate waste in front of us. into town now. There's quarry again. "100 years of slate waste." Tourist behind me again. 30 miles an hour and I'm doing 40. Turn here. Let him go, fucking dickhead. Recycling centre there. Oh, fuck. This is what the locals have put up. Line is closed. Go home. See? I wasn't fucking fooling with you. Don't get the message. Right, we're coming into the busy bit now, which is supposed to be busy, which is not. Oh, come on. Camera set up again. Now you can count the people. One charity shop shut. Chinese takeaway. Ironmonger shop. Shut. Baby care shop. Shut. Hairdressers there. Shut. Gift shops there. Shut. We've got a shop here. McCall's. There's a bit of a supermarket which is open. Nobody there. Pub there. the Queen's Hotel, which they've renamed to Gorsaf. What's he doing there? Hoodie. Oh, it's Calgary. Sneud? Be ti'n neud?
Pam?
Gofyn?
Dwi ddim yn mynd i cols, mae cwrw i cael.
O ie.
O ai. Ti'n bod cyn ffryd do?
Do, jyst am spin.
Ond o beth yna?
Na.
Eidran na?
Na, sy'n neud hwnna?
Oedd eidran y pasio da mynd nhw. Ond i'n gwrs o'n mynd cyn ffryd ta be.
Na, fel sy'n mynd i port cynt.
Ni'n fod nôl car fi dwi'n mynd dal na. Mae'n strif i fod na wan sy'n mynd siwr yn nôl i tron. Sy'n mynd i edrych yn ffocin quart o'r gynta. Sy'n mynd i gael quart faint insurance iddo fo.
O.
So dwi wedi talu fo. 365 quid do.
Mae'n pasio wan.
Do. Do. Un o'r oed i do.
Bydio.
120 over the patch account.
2 gator. CV gators. Drive shafts.
Big houses of there.
Offside rhywbeth. Link, ie? Link bach.
Fuck os bod mae den o'n un di.
Link, and there's a brake hose.
Yeah, everything's done anyway.
2 brake hose, front.
Cheap oedd nhw ddoli.
Brake fluid.
Roed o on i patches, di costio mwyaf?
Front flexi exhaust thing,
Yeah.
41 quid. Gasket. 3 quid gasket. Gasket be hwnna sa?
Is i'r fucking flange exhaust flexios.
O.
Dwi'n siŵr no biar i cael,
X-clamp, rhywbeth, stop clamp, hold. Service the brakes, yeah. Parts, 126, label,
New rules enforce
150.
New rules enforce coronavirus, UK lockdown, everything needs to know about the new measures.
Yeah, bollocks.
Public movement.
Yeah. For 30 quid fine os ti'n cael dy ddal yn crwydro o gwmpas efo fucking gang.
Yeah.
Gyd i 30 quid fine.
The Prime Minister has placed the UK on lockdown, announcing new police enforced measures to restrict public movement.
Yeah.
With lockdown lasting a minimum of 3 weeks, there are only 4 reasons you can leave your home.
Yeah.
4 reasons.
Yeah, mynd i shops. Mynd am exercise.
Boris Johnson. Fucking hell. Oh shit.
Just gwatcha'r ffocas de. Just gwatcha'r cops de. Wel, i safio chi de. I safio chi de. See, you heard me speaking Welsh. That was my son. Going to pick up some beer for his mate. The cop shop's just up here. But I'm not fucking going there. There's the co-op. There's another supermarket there. These are the old toilets. There's a good flag there. Fucking packy there. Here's the flag. Fly, baby. No. It's not gonna fly. Most probably will when I freaking go. There we go. Welsh flag. Fish and chips van. And he's left the fucking back door open. That's it. Womble. What a womble. Catholic Church. Don't know who that was. Must know me anyway. his son just having his car back from that garage there. 250 quid. So he's going to pick up the car later, he says.